Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Panjarastu Alim, and in today's video I would like to explain about elliptical construction, either and neither. So let's get started. So what is an elliptical construction? So it's a short sentence that drop repeated words so we don't say the same thing twice. So elliptical construction used to avoid repetition in a sentence. And then either and neither mean me too but negative. So elliptical construction is consists of four keywords, which is so and to for positive sentence, and either and neither for negative sentence. So in this video I would like to explain about neither and either. Here's the example: the long way. I don't like coffee, and she doesn't like coffee either. Now this is a repetition in here. This sentence doesn't use elliptical construction, so this repetition. And then in the other example, the short elliptical way, I don't like coffee and she doesn't either. So this is the short term of the first sentence that using elliptical construction. I don't like coffee and she doesn't either, so we avoid repetition in this sentence. And next one, formula either. So this is the formula of either used subject 1 plus not plus verb and plus subject 2 plus not plus either. Okay, so this is the formula of either. Example like I cannot swim and my brother cannot either. So that's the example. And simple rules: both parts of the sentence are negative. So in either form, in the first sentence and the second sentence is negative, both are negative. And then either goes at the very end. So the word either comes at the end of the sentence. And then word order stay normal, no flipping, so the word order is normal. And then neither, so let's move to the neither. Formula of neither: subject 1 plus not plus verb, and neither plus verb plus subject 2. Okay, so the example is like she doesn't drink tea and neither do I. Okay, so here's the simple rules of neither. So no extra not. In either we still use not in second sentence. Okay, in either we still use not in the second sentence, but meanwhile in neither we don't use word not in the second sentence. Like no extra not, neither is already negative, so neither is already negative. I usually how I remember these rules, I just remember the n letter in this keyword. Neither don't need neither doesn't need not, but either does. And then either versus neither, what's the differences? So either goes at the end, so either appears at the end of the sentence. Meanwhile neither goes at the very start. Meanwhile, neither appears at the first, second sentence. And then either normal word order, so the order of the word is normal in either, but neither words order is flipped, so itu di flips, dibalikan. And in either both parts say not. So in the first sentence say not, and the second sentence also say not, but in neither not is not repeated, so only in the first sentence. Here is the example of either. He cannot cook and I cannot either. So look at the sentence. He cannot cook and I cannot either, so not is repeated. Okay, and the either appears at the end of the sentence. But in neither, let's see the example of the neither. He cannot cook and neither can I. Look at the word order. So word not is not repeated, so it's only appears at the first sentence. And neither is goes at the start. Here's the example of either. So there are several, there are 4 examples. The first one is, I cannot swim and my brother cannot either. Either appears at the end of the sentence. Okay, and then the second one is, he doesn't drink tea and I don't either. They were not at the party and we were not either. So the auxiliary verb is follow the first sentence. So it's just follow the first sentence. And the last example is, he hasn't finished his homework and his sister hasn't either. Okay, and then example of neither. The first one, I cannot swim and neither can my brother. So like I have said before, word not is not repeated, so it only appears at the first sentence, and neither placed at the start of the second sentence. Okay, and then the second example, she doesn't drink tea and neither do I. And then they were not at the party and neither were we. He hasn't finished his homework and neither has his sister. And look at the second example of neither. And the second what is your kalimat, sentence, and neither do I. Why we use do as the auxiliary verb? Because we follow the first sentence. She doesn't drink tea. It use does for subject she, but in the second sentence we use do for subject I. So the auxiliary verb or to be, it's follow the first sentence. Maybe that's all from me. Hope you guys understand about my explanation. I'll end this explanation by saying wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.